A wobbly steering wheel can be scary and dangerous. It makes your car harder to control and can lead to accidents if not fixed. There are many ways to fix a wobbly steering wheel. One of the most common reasons for a wobbly steering wheel is unbalanced or misaligned tires. Over time, tires wear unevenly, causing vibrations. You can take your car to a tire shop where they will balance your tires using special machines. If your tires are old or damaged, replacing them may also solve the problem. Misaligned wheels can cause the steering wheel to shake, especially at higher speeds. If your car pulls to one side or the steering feels off, you may need a wheel alignment. A professional mechanic can adjust your wheels to the correct angles, improving stability and control. A damaged suspension system can also cause your steering wheel to shake. Worn-out shocks, struts, or control arms can make your ride feel unstable. If you hear clunking noises or feel extra bouncing when driving over bumps, your suspension may need repairs. If your steering wheel shakes when you brake, the problem could be with the brake rotors. Warped or uneven rotors cause vibrations when braking. In this case, you may need to resurface or replace the rotors. Regularly inspecting your brake system can help prevent this problem in the future. Bad wheel bearings can cause a wobbly steering wheel and unusual noises from the wheels. If your steering wheel shakes at different speeds, or you hear a grinding sound, your wheel bearings might be failing. A mechanic can check them and replace them if necessary. A faulty power steering system can also cause steering wheel vibrations. Low power steering fluid, a failing pump, or damaged hoses can make steering feel unsteady. Check the fluid level and top it up if needed. If the problem continues, have a mechanic inspect the power steering system. Take your car for a test drive and pay attention to when the shaking is most noticeable, whether at high speeds or during turns. Driving carefully reduces strain on suspension and steering, helping to prevent premature wear and damage. Regular servicing keeps your car's steering and suspension in good condition, ensuring a smoother and safer drive. Keep tires inflated to the recommended level for smooth handling and to prevent uneven wear or blowouts. Ensure all lug nuts are properly tightened to prevent wheel wobbling, as loose nuts can lead to unsafe driving conditions. Avoid sudden braking or aggressive turns to reduce stress on the steering system. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can keep your car safe and smooth on the road, reducing the risk of unexpected problems.